Dear student, today we start a special series for CSIR NET Physical Science. This series is also important for the BSc student, MSc student and useful for the all competitions just like GATE, DRDO, ISRO and cover the all Indian universities syllabus of the physical science. We are choose a very important topic, that is operational amplifier, and also they exist in the unit of class 6 in the CSIR NET physical science syllabus. It is a very important topic for physical science as well as electronic science. It is a very important topic. Operational amplifier, in this name it is an amplifier. Amplifier means the device which convert the small signal level to the higher signal level, and this is in the form of voltage, that is a voltage amplifier. If it is in the form of the current, that is a current amplifier. If it is in a convert low power to high power, that is a power amplifier. So operational amplifier perform the different types of operation in the by use of the amplifier. All the part of electronics as well as the physical science cover mostly the amplifier. The different types of amplifier uses in physics as well as in electronics. It is a linear integrated ICs, that is a very famous IC, that is 741, developed by the Fairchild. So it is a very important ICs for the all circuits of electronics. Now it's a internal structure, that is a we very well know amplifier, that is a common emitter amplifier. Common emitter amplifier just a subject of basic electronics, and basic electronics and discuss the amplifier, and amplifier is especially common emitter amplifier, common collector amplifier and common base amplifier. Common emitter amplifier is used for the amplification of voltage mostly, and the operational amplifier is just pack in the ICs, that is a differential amplifier. Differential amplifier means the device which amplify the difference of signal. Now discuss in next part, next lecture series and next lectures. Now it is a very small now proper definition for the operational amplifier, that it consists of high gain. High gain means to high gain direct coupled amplifier, means to amplifier which is directly connected, means to coupling winners. Different amplifier is most of amplifier not directly connected. It is a RC coupled amplifier, transformer coupled amplifier, and other are many types of couplings. But here you are only understand that is a high gain, means the value of gain is very high, means to amplification level is very high and directly coupled to each other and make the differential amplifier, and that differential amplifier back into the IC, that is a operational amplifier. It's a very important property in electronics. There's a high input impedance. High input impedance of a device is very important in electronics. High input impedance and the output impedance, low output impedance, is very important for the electronics. Now these properties are discussed in the next lectures, but it is here only the that is the introductory class today. Operational amplifier has the much applications. It is mostly impossible to listed here, but Some important application that is very well known for application, that is the inverting amplifier. This is a very important of inverting amplifier. Up now it is a discuss the inverting amplifier, a special class for inverting amplifier for the in this series, and also the device is non-inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier means to amplification as well as the inversion is possible of the signal. Means to आपका phase change is also occur inverting amplifier, and non-inverting amplifier, that's amplification is also possible without phase change. This is amplifier and very important. Adder or a summer means to addition by the electronics in any device is performed by that device, that is adder amplifier. Adder amplifier, yeah, that is another name, it is summer amplifier. Means the addition is performed in all devices, just make electronics in which the all contain the operation amplifier ICs by making this operation amplifier. Adder, after that adder, that is a subtractor. Subtraction, just like in arithmetic subtraction, is held by the electronic by the operation amplifier. Means to all electronic devices how to perform addition, how to perform subtraction. These are discussed in next lectures in this operation amplifier. Multipliers means to multiplication is done by this multiplier. And log amplifier means logarithmic quantities discussion, multiplication discussion, log discussion. Anti-log is also made by this circuit. Anti-log circuit is also made by the operation amplifier. Integrator means to in very well know part, that is integration. Integration in we are discussing classes of the intermediate stage, and integration of some, just like integration of x is, that is x squared upon 2, and something integration sine theta and cos theta, and every mathematical operation is performed by this operation amplifier. Differentiation, you well know differentiation of constant is 0, differentiation of x is 1. So many classes you have discussed the differentiation in 11th classes. And also the average, you know very well know the average of candidates, average of heights, average amplifier is made by this operation amplifier. Also the some important devices also electronics for good stability, that is a comparator, you know the comparison between the two quantities, high, low or equal to, and this is also performed by the comparator. And a rectification, you know, that is the AC signal is converted to the DC signal by the rectifier. That rectifier, good rectifier, that is called a precision rectifier, is developed by this operation amplifier. And also the very important device, that is buffer. Buffer is used for the impedance matching. Buffer is used for the impedance matching devices. Impedance matching is very important process that is used for the avoid the overloading in the devices, and discussing also to some discussion is provided in this lecture series. And differential amplifier, you very well know that difference is amplified by the differential amplifier. Means to this differential amplifier also packed by the ICs, that is called operational amplifier. Just like operational amplifier in short form OPAM, OPAM. Now many times you say that is a, in classes, that is a operational amplifier. Operational amplifier means just like teacher abbreviated that the OPAM. Now it is a discussion. Operational amplifier is a linear integrated circuit. Integrated circuit, you will know the IC. Many times you listen the word the IC. IC means to integrated circuit. Integrated circuit, you know, very important device, and all competitions cover the integrated circuit. Now the basic question: who is the inventor of the ICs? IC, who is invent the ICs? American scientist आपका Jack S. Kilby, a J.S. Kilby, American engineers, Jack S. Kilby, 12 September 1958 at Texas Instruments, Nevada. Texas, you well know that very reputed cities of America, uh, in which the Texas Instruments वर्ल्ड नंबर वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट कंपनी, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी इंस्ट्रूमेंट की कंपनी या नंबर वन कंपनी पूरे विश्व की, ठीक है। वहां पे अमेरिकन इंजीनियर जैक एस केल्वी described the first ICs of the world, that is called IC means to integrated circuit, 12 September 1958. It is a very important discovery and that provide the revolution in the world, and so it is getting a Nobel Prize in Physics in 2000. You know, physical science, Nobel Prize, a very important prize for the scientist. That is a Nobel Prize in 2000 served to another scientist discovery of the heterostructure junction आपका कोयमर. Yeah, now it's a next very important discovery. This IC is GSKLV is described in 1958, but the next IC, that is a category of IC, is a monolithic integrated circuit. Monolithic, mono means to single, lithic means to crystal. मतलब ICs develop on the single crystal by the Robert Noyce. Robert Noyce आप scientist Fairchild in 1958 he described the 1986 he described the ICs, monolithic ICs, okay, monolithic ICs. आपका different ICs of operation amplifier developed by other companies. Just like first ICs of operation amplifier developed by the Fairchild. Just you know that the monolithic ICs. ठीक है, monolithic ICs means to is very special category of IC, that means the active component. Operational amplifier is the active component. Transistor is your active component. Resistance, capacitor, inductor are your passive element. Active element means to that increase the level of signal, that is called active element. The active element is mostly a very good manufacturing provided by the monolithic integrated circuit. Okay, to Fairchild developed the ICs, the first IC, that is MUS749 and the MUS741, and different ICs, MUS741A, MUS741C, MUS741CT. MUA आपका MUA means to symbol of Fairchild company write the MUA, any ICs write MUA means to Fairchild. Motorola, you well know that many mobiles are coming from Motorola, and these are used the IC the 741. That IC number is MC1741. What is meaning of these numbers is discussed in next lectures. National Semiconductor is ICs is LM741 and Semiconductor Limited Pune MUA709. Also some Indian companies also they develop these ICs, that is Semiconductor Limited आपका Mumbai, आपका EM108 and LM208, and the Bharat Electronics Limited Bangalore CMU आपका 741CT or CA741T. Clearly, these ICs, different companies of world develop the MUA741. You just imagine what is the popularity of these ICs. The very important ICs for future applications, and all many applications and circuits are developed by these ICs. This symbol of 741 ICs, that is 8-pin ICs. 8-pin ICs and 8-pin ICs, that ICs contain the circuits, that circuit, that is a symbol, not a circuit. This is symbol of operational amplifier. You well know that is symbol. Inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier. Also we discuss in back slides, and now it's two important input terminal. That is a inverting amplifier. That is a inverting amplifier. This is a non-inverting terminal, and this is a input inverting terminal. V2 is inverting terminal, V1 is a non-inverting terminal, and this is IC's pin number 2, and this is also pin number 3. Means to signal for inverting you are applied at the pin number 2, and signal for the non-inverting you apply number pin number 3, and difference of this आपका V2 minus V1 is applied on the amplifier when you were discussed as a differential amplifier. Pin number 7, you provide the supply. Supply means to positive voltage of the supply, that is pin number 7, and negative voltage of supply is pin number 4. And positive voltage applied is called VCC, and the voltage negative that applies the minus V. मतलब same voltage level are required for the plus VCC, and minus VE means to most of ICs of operational amplifier with the different voltage, plus minus 9 volt to plus minus 15 voltage. And pin number आपका 6, आपका pin number 6 that provide the output is here discussion is pin number 6. ठीक है, pin number 6 provide your output. Most of devices are use the symbol, and this symbolic representation is very important, and always know about the internal circuit. Whenever go for the CSIR net, you will discuss the every part of this, and everything is possible in the examinations. Operational amplifier ICs, we discuss the pin diagram. Pin diagram contain the, we are saying that 741 7 आपका 4 1 ICs mu a you know that is mu a meaning to the Fairchild company. That ICs contain the pin number आपका. This is very important discussion. This is your called nose, and this is nearest the nose pin is our pin number 1, and pin number 2, and pin number 3, and pin number 4. Now from that side, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 7, and pin number 8. Every time there are nothing right on the ICs only company and the name of ICs, and nothing right the pin number. But you are discussing the where the nose, and counting from the nose, the nearest point is 1, and this is a direction of counting we are discuss at the point. Operational amplifier has a following terminal. Pin number 1 is a minus offset null. Minus offset null, offset voltage. What is offset voltage? Offset null means to it clearly the offset. If negative voltage are exist, it is null by the that pin. Inverting terminal, you know that's the pin number 2, and pin number 3 is a non-inverting terminal, and plus offset null is pin number 5. Negative supply, that is pin number 4, and output terminal is pin number 6, and positive supply is pin number 7, and NC is pin number 8. This is a brief history or only introductions of operational amplifier, in which we discussed only the introductory class. Introductory class only preview provided in this word label. Now IC number, what is operational amplifier, and what is IC number, what is we want to study for you and for next lectures. So many lectures are created For that, it is starting our first lecture, and I hope you provide the many suggestions about the lecture qualities and what do you want to from my sides. And I hope you are providing the next lectures in emails, and your queries will be solved by the emails. And also, you can come and cross with the Department of Physics at DVS PG College, Kanpur. Thank you.